Good morning to you all. Today I will explain you Boston Consultancy Group Model or BCG model. Normally in the question paper we can see the question like this: explain BCG model or explain BCG growth share model. Boston Consultancy Group matrix or BCG model was first introduced by Bruce Henderson of Boston Consultancy Group of Companies in 1970. BCG model actually classify a company's product or a company's business unit into four categories. That means a product can be of star product, or else a product can be of question mark product, or dog product, or cash cow product. I request all of you to take the Google Classroom note and just see that graph, BCG matrix or BCG model graph. In the graph, x-axis shows market share of that product and y-axis it shows market growth of that product. In the first column on the top we can see a question mark. Question mark means the market share is low and at the same time market growth is very high. If a product is introduced in the market, the market growth may be very high because it is a new product. So the people are having curiosity about that product and they will be thinking about that product to buy. So its market growth is very high. And at that time, the company has to spend much money. They have to pump more money into the market for advertisement as well as for the bulk production. But at the same time, the market share may not be that much because the demand for their product may not be that much high because most of the people doesn't know about the product. They have just introduced in the market. The market is not well known about this product. That is why it is termed as a question mark product. The introduction stage, the company may be in trouble because they are pumping more money into the market, but the demand for that market may not be that much. So company is in loss at that time. But after some time, that same product may be in the star product, maybe in the category star product, which is shown on the top of the column, second column. It may become as a star product where the market share, that means demand for their product will be very high and market growth is also very high. The product is very much known to the market and at the same time demand for that product is also very high. There also the company has to spend much money in the market because they have to sustain the advertisement as well as the production has to be sustained in that level. So it is even though it is a star product, the company cannot expect that much profit from that product when it is in the star category. In the graph you can see the third category as dog product. Here market share is also very minimum and market growth is also very minimum. Now the product is very much known to the market, but the market growth is very less because the demand has become very much minimum, and our product's demand is also very much minimum. That means market share is minimum and market growth is also minimum. The company need not advertise about the product because it is known to the market, but people are not interested in it. That is a dog product. At that time, company has to take a decision whether to stop or whether to continue. In most of the cases, the company will take a decision to stop the product because there is no demand and there is very less growth for that product. I will give you an example for this. Around 6 years before, Ford company stopped their product Icon car. Earlier it was in the initial stage, it was in the question mark, because the company's product was not known to the market. They pumped much money for the advertisement, and they produced a bulk quantity of the car, and it became a question mark product, because in the initial stage there was no demand for that product. Gradually it became a star product. The demand in the market for Icon car increased, and at the same time they maintained their advertisement, so it became a star product. And later we can see that it became a cash cow product, because the market demand became very much high, and so market share became very high, and then the advertisement for their car became very minimum, so it became a cash cow product. And very soon it became a dog product. Around 6 years before, it became a dog category product, because market growth was very much minimum, and market share, the demand for Icon car also became very minimum, so it became a dog product, and they stopped its production. And the fourth category, it is cash cow product. Here we can see that it is on the right side of the graph, and the market share is very high, and market growth is very minimum. That means in the case of a monopoly product, we need not advertise, or we need not spend much money in the market. So market growth is not that much, because the competitors are not there, and our product only will be there in the market. So the demand for that market, demand for that product is very high. That is why market share is very much high, but no need for advertisement, and the market growth is very less. That is the cash cow product. That company is getting much profit from that product at that time. That is why we are saying that it is a cash cow product. No need of advertisement, no need of any other improvement is not required, because it has become a very good product, and high profit is there. I can just give you an example, Maruti Swift car. It is now also it is a cash cow product of that company. Why? They need not spend much money in the market for advertisement. That means for market growth they need not spend much money for that particular product. But market share, that means the demand for their product is very much high. That is why it has become a cash cow product. I do feel that you all have understood it very well. So just to take 2-3 other product also, and put it in this and categorize it, whether it is coming a question mark product, or it is a star product, or dog product, or cash cow product. Then you will understand it very well. I do feel that you all understood it, and I will come with another slide that will explain market growth and market share comparison with the product life cycle. That means BCG matrix comparing with a product life cycle. Thank you very much.